Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam, and this is Arnam, and today we are doing switch statements and conditional operators. Switch statement. A switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. We can use one switch statement inside another switch statements. This is called as nested switch statement. The syntax for switch statement is we write the switch, inside the brackets we write the control variable, and in the brackets inside the brackets we write case, then we write the constant and the executable code and then break, and we continue till all the possible values are written, then we write the default and then the executable code of default. There is a flowchart also given for switch statement. We take the input in the expression. Then we write case 1. If it is true, then the code of block 1 is executed. If case 2 is true, the code of block 2 is executed till all the cases are completed. If no code of block is executed, then the default code block is used and executed. The expression used in a switch statement must have an integral or enum type, or be a class type in which the class has a single conversion function to an integral or enumerated type. We can have any number of case statements within a switch. The constant expression for a case must be the same data type as the variable in the switch, and it must be a constant or a literal. When a break statement is reached, the switch state terminates and flow jumps to the next line. Not every case needs to contain a break. If no break appears, the flow of control will fall through to subsequent cases until a break is reached. Example is we are taking the variable weekday integer and we have written the print statement menu for one Monday for two Tuesday till 7 for Sunday. We are printing enter the number between 1 to 7 and taking the input using scanf and putting the value into the variable weekday. The switch statement we are writing switch bracket weekday and we are writing the cases from 1 till the 7 and printing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If any of this does not is not true, the default statement is printed invalid day number. Please enter a number between 1 and 7. For example, I have written 3. Then the statement Wednesday is executed. It is possible to have a switch as part of the statement sequence of an outer switch case statement. If the case constants of the inner and outer switch contain common value, no conflict will arise. Break statement, command, or statement terminates the execution of the enclosing or nearest do, for, switch, or while statement in which it appears. Continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next iteration. Conditional operator. The conditional operator can be used to replace if-else statements. Expression 1 question mark is evaluated. If it is true, then expression 2 is executed, and if it is false, then the expression is 3 is executed and becomes the value of the expression. Syntax for conditional operator is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. Expression 1 is condition. Expression 2 is statement followed if condition is true. Expression 3 is statement followed if condition is false. For example, we are taking the variable age and printing the statement enter your age and input using scanf and storing the value in the variable age. Then we are writing the expression 1, that is the condition age greater than equal to 18. Then we are putting the question mark and writing the second expression that is to be executed if the condition is true. And in that we are printing eligible to vote. And After that, we are writing the colon and the third expression, that is print statement not eligible to vote, which will be executed if the expression 1 is false. Then we are returning the program. For example, I have written 20. So the output is eligible to vote. And another example is I have written 17. So the output is coming not eligible to vote. Thank you for your attention, and the notes and PPT will be available in the drive link available in the description box. Thank you.